Which technology are expanding the fastest? What are the key trends for which corporate executives should be ready? Indeed, humanity's role as futurists is to look ahead. Therefore, each year, it is important to investigate the new technological developments that will shape our digital environment during the ensuing 12 months. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe and let's dive in. The top 10 tech trends for 2023, for which everyone must prepare. Keep reading to learn about the 10 crucial tech developments you need to be aware of in 2023. 1. AI in everything. Artificial intelligence will be used in enterprise for real starting in 2023. With its simple drag-and-drop interface, no-code AI makes it possible for any company to take use of its capacity to develop more intelligent goods and services. In the retail sector, this trend is already apparent. To make clothing recommendations to its clients that fit their sizes and preferences, Stitch Fix uses AI-enabled algorithms. A major trend for 2023 will be contactless, autonomous shopping and delivery. Consumers will find it simpler to pay for and get goods and services thanks to AI. Also, almost all jobs and business processes across all industries would benefit from AI. The convenience trends of buy online pickup at curbside BOPAC, buy online pickup in store BOPIS, and buy online return in store BORIS will become the norm as more retailers utilize AI to manage and automate the intricate inventory management operations that take place behind the scenes. The newest autonomous delivery programs that retailers are testing and implementing will also be powered by AI. And more retail employees will need to become used to interacting with machines to do their jobs. 2. Metaverse manifest. The phrase metaverse has come to stand in for a more immersive internet in which we will be able to work, play, and interact with one another on a constant platform. According to experts, the metaverse will contribute $5 trillion to the world economy by 2030, and 2023 will be the year that determines the metaverse's course for the following 10 years. The fields of augmented reality AR and virtual reality VR will develop further. The metaverse workplace is one to keep an eye on. In 2023, there'll be more immersive meeting spaces where we can collaborate, brainstorm, and create together. Microsoft and Nvidia are actually already working on metaverse platforms for teaming up on digital projects. Also, in the coming year, avatar technology will progress. The presence we portray when interacting with other users in the metaverse is known as an avatar, and it may resemble us exactly. Motion capture will even allow our avatars to acquire our own body language and gestures. Further advancement in autonomous AI-enabled avatars that can represent us in the metaverse even when we are not signed in is another possibility. 3. Web3 is the new www. In the coming year, non-fungible tokens will be easier to use and more useful. For instance, NFT concert tickets may allow you access to backstage activities and artifacts. NFTs might represent the contracts we enter into with third parties, or they could be the keys we use to interact with many of the digital goods and services we purchase. Also, 2023 will see a huge advancement in blockchain technology as businesses produce more decentralized goods and services. We currently store everything in the cloud, for instance. But if we decentralize data storage and encrypt the data using blockchain, our information will not only be safer but also have novel access and analysis methods. 4. Digital bridges to physical world. The gap between the digital and real worlds is already starting to blur, and in 2023 this trend will only grow. This union consists of two parts: 3D printing and digital twin technologies. Digital twins are virtual models of actual operations, goods, or processes that can be used to test novel concepts in a secure online setting. To test under every scenario without incurring the enormous expenses of real-world research, designers and engineers are adopting digital twins to replicate physical things in virtual environments. We'll see even more digital twins in 2023. In everything from precise healthcare to machinery, autos, and factories. Engineers can make adjustments and alter components after testing them in the virtual environment before employing 3D printing technology to produce them in the real world. 5. Nature can be rewritten. In the future, we will be able to alter materials, plants, and even people to change their characteristics. We will be able to develop materials with brand new properties like water resistance and self-healing powers thanks to nanotechnology. Sounds like the scene where Shuri 3D prints the heart-shaped plant that gives the Black Panther his powers in Black Panther 2. Wakanda Forever. We can change the DNA makeup, after all. Gene editing is similar to word processing in that you can add and remove words, but you can do it with genes. Genetic mutations can be fixed using gene editing. Food allergies can be eliminated. Crops can be made healthier. And even human traits like eye and hair color can be changed. 6. Quantum computing. The possible risk of quantum computing is that it might make our current methods of encryption ineffective. As a result, any country that develops quantum computing on a large scale might decrypt the encryption used by other countries, corporations, security systems, and other entities. In 2023, pay close attention to this development as nations including the US, UK, China, and Russia invest heavily in the development of quantum computing technology. The development of quantum computing at scale is currently the focus of a global race. 8 trillion times faster computers than the fastest standard processors now on the market are anticipated to be made possible by quantum computing, which employs subatomic particles to generate new methods of processing and storing information. 7. Progress in green technology, stopping carbon emissions so we can address the global warming catastrophe, is one of the largest challenges the world is now facing. Green hydrogen, a novel clean burning energy source with almost no greenhouse gas emissions, will continue to advance in 2023. The first significant green pipeline is being built from wind farms in the North Sea by Shell and RWE, 2 significant European energy firms. The creation of decentralized power systems will also advance. Using this technique, distributed energy generation creates a network of small power producers and storage that are placed in neighborhoods or individual homes, allowing them to function even when the main grid is down. Currently, large gas and energy corporations control a majority of the global energy market. But decentralized energy programs have the potential to democratize power while lowering carbon emissions. 8. The humanized robot. In the actual world, these robots will serve as event greeters, bartenders, concierges, and senior citizens' companions. Robots will resemble humans significantly more in 2023, both physically and cognitively. Along with cooperating with people in manufacturing and logistics, they will also carry out complicated duties in warehouses and factories. 2 Optimus humanoid robot prototypes were unveiled by Elon Musk at Tesla AI Day in September 2022. He also stated that the company would be ready to accept orders in the next 3 to 5 years. We might soon be able to have robot butlers that help around the house because the robot can do simple jobs like lifting objects and watering plants. 9. Progress in autonomous system to sort, lift, and move items in its highly automated warehouses. Ocado, a British online supermarket that bills itself as the world's largest dedicated online food retailer, employs thousands of autonomous robots. The warehouse also makes use of AI to position the most well-liked commodities close to the robots. The Ocado startup is now distributing to other grocery merchants the autonomous technology that powers their successful facilities. Corporate leaders will keep developing autonomous systems, notably in the delivery and logistics sectors. Many warehouses and factories have already attained partial or complete autonomy. By 2023, there will be even more autonomous cars, ships, and delivery robots on the road, as well as even more automated factories and warehouses. 10. Sustainable technology. In 2023, we'll finally witness a drive toward greener technologies. Many of us are dependent on technology, such as our smartphones, tablets, and computers. But where do the parts come from that are used to make these devices? Consumers will be more interested in where the rare earth materials used in products like computer chips come from and how we use them. Also, we use cloud services like Netflix and Spotify, which continue to operate in sizable data centers that use a lot of electricity. As consumers expect energy-efficient goods and services that are supported by more sustainable technologies, we'll continue to see efforts to make supply chains more transparent in 2023. The world will never stop trending in evolutions. How much further will we see the technology evolve? Thanks for watching. Follow for more.